why is your manifestations not reaching you? There has to be some alignment between our desires and our higher purpose. Understanding these factors can surely transform how we look at prayers and manifestation. Why aren't my prayers being answered? Have you ever wondered or asked this question to yourself? We all have asked this question to ourselves several times. Let's first understand that this is completely natural. And if you have been wondering why is your manifestations not reaching you, then this video is for you. First, let's acknowledge that this question is very common and it's completely natural to ask. But what if I told you that there is a lot behind the silence and universe is working out for your prayers? When we are praying since a long time and nothing seems to be moving, then there is surely lack of alignment. There has to be some alignment between our desires and our higher purpose. The universal energies are constantly working in our favor, which means that if we are asking this question that I want this, sometimes we need to understand that our desires need to first align with our highest good. Whatever we are from inside, whatever energy frequency we possess inside is completely reflected towards what we are trying to manifest. So for example, if I want a car for myself and my vibrational frequency is not matching up to the car that I want to buy, I will never get that car. I have to first increase my vibrational frequency and then I will attract this car. Now let me make you understand what does this all frequency alignment means. Basically, when I from inside have that self-esteem that I am worthy of this car and I radiate that kind of energy around me, then I will be able to attract or manifest this car. And just like when a plant grows, it needs to have water and sunlight. For our prayers to be answered, we need to have faith and trust. Faith and trust are two most important components in our lives to be fruitful, in our lives to attain what we want to attain as our manifestations. So without genuinely feeling the possibility of our prayers getting answered, we hinder its fruition. We also hinder its possibility when we become impatient. Sometimes when we are struggling and we are working very hard to achieve that one desired goal, our prayers seem to be unanswered. We get into the mode of being impatient and we start doubting the process. While in this process, when we are being frustrated, we send out conflicting energies out there in the universe, which delays our manifestation. So the universe is constantly looking at us, thinking that whether this person wants to have this desired goal or this person does not want that desired goal. If we constantly keep on doubting on the possibility of that goal, universe thinks that when this person is doubting, let me not give this goal to this person. So if we have taken 11 steps towards our goal and the goal is getting manifested on the 12th step, then definitely we must continue on this path without any stoppage. But for sure, there are relevant actions which are required to manifest that dream car of yours or that dream goal, because action is the most important step in achieving your result. When we are sitting at home and just aligning energy to the goal, we are not able to manifest the goal directly. We have to do some action. We have to make some alignment in terms of the efforts that we are putting in. Waiting passively for the goal to get manifested on its own can surely delay the manifestation. Understanding these factors can surely transform how we look at prayers and manifestations. So by aligning our desires, our inner blocks, our faith, our trust in the process, we reach towards that path of ultimate happiness. Also, I want to mention that there are studies on the efficacy of prayer which have yield some positive results. This means that prayer is indirectly proportional to stress and anxiety levels. If you pray more for your well-being, there would be less anxiety and stress levels in your mental body. And remember, the journey of your prayers is completely personal. Some prayers are answered at drop of a hat, while some prayers takes time to get answered. The idea is never lose hope and please trust in God. Your prayer will get answered soon. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.